हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग मूविंग चार्ज एंड मैग्नेटिज्म स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एंड बिफोर बिगनिंग विद बायर्ट्स-सावर्त लॉ वी हैव सम बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स टू क्लियर अप. Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. If we hold any straight conductor carrying current such that thumb point towards the direction of current, then curled finger suggests the magnetic field lines direction. That means curled finger means it should be anti-clockwise in case of upward current. Upward current का दूसरा कंक्लूजन ये है, if any 2D plane, if current carrying conductor is lying such that any observation point located in right hand side, magnetic field direction is into the plane, and at all the observation points located in left hand side, magnetic field direction is upwardly perpendicular to the plane of paper. Here, then zero magnetic, no magnetic field when observation points located at the conductor. Again, मैं remind कर दूं कि these crosses means into the plane. Wherever straight conductor or any type of current carrying conductor exists in surrounding, magnetic field will be present in the form of magnetic field line. Bayer-Savarт, what it talks about, the small field due to a current element vector. Small field मतलब dB and current element ideal vector. अब हम लोग डायग्राम में समझेंगे. This is I at this point. ये है आइडियल करंट एलिमेंट वेक्टर एंड दिस इज ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंट, पॉइंट ओ बी. दिस इज आर, ये आर वेक्टर, यहाँ पे आर कैप, एंड दिस इज द एंगल बिटवीन आइडियल वेक्टर एंड आर वेक्टर. तब यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी डीबी, जबकि इनका डायरेक्शन होना चाहिए इनटू द प्लेन. हमने ऐसे 3D डायग्राम में दिखा रखा है, बट इट इज इनटू द प्लेन लाइक दिस. Because this is into the plane, right hand side पढ़ रहा है तो right hand side into the plane. तब बायर्ट्स-सावर्त लॉ के स्टेटमेंट में ये बात कही गई है, मतलब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड dB sine of the angle between both the vectors ideal and r vector, combining this is constant of proportionality Tesla meter per ampere. ये बायर्ट्स-सावर्त लॉ का फॉर्मूला है. टेस्ला, गॉस, CGS. लेकिन बायर्ट्स-सावर्त लॉ का एप्लीकेशन क्या क्या है, तो कैसे कैसे जगह हमें इनका यूज करके उस तरह के सिचुएशन के लिए हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड मालूम कर पाते हैं. एप्लीकेशन, स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर, सर्कुलर कॉइल. सो दीज आर द 3 एप्लीकेशंस. इन दीज 3 सिचुएशंस वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंडक्शन. हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं डायग्राम से. दिस इज आई, दिस इज ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंट ए, हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस बी. एट दिस पॉइंट आइडियल वेक्टर point Q R phi. This is minus phi 1 plus phi 2 because ये reference line से नीचे है, ये ऊपर है, so that's why plus phi 2. This is L, this is R cap theta. Equation number 1 from OPQ A by R from the same triangle tan phi. Now we are to differentiate something from the same triangle. Tan phi is equal to L by A. It implies that L is equal to A tan phi. DL is A sec square phi D phi. इन दोनों के हेल्प से इक्वेशन 1 में ये सारी चीजें सब्स्टिट्यूट करके we'll try to eliminate theta, DL and R to get new expression in terms of phi. In place of DL, A sec square phi D phi, and for sin theta we'll be putting cos phi. For R, cos phi is equal to A by R sec square phi cos square phi. Cancelled. Limit should be minus phi 1 to plus phi 2. Constant will be taken out, mu naught by 4 pi. Cos phi has to be integrated, sin phi 2 plus. Now special cases. One is infinitely long conductor and the other is semi-infinite wire. Phi 1 is equal to phi 2 is equal to 90 degree. Hence B is mu naught by 4 pi semi-infinite. इनफाइनाइटली लॉन्ग मतलब दोनों तरफ से इनफाइनाइटली लॉन्ग, तो ये एंगल विल बी बिकमिंग रफली पैरेलल because it is very at far off point. Phi 1 will be tending to 90 degree and this Phi 2 will be also tending to 90 degree. But in second situation, infinite end will be again Phi 90 degree. So Phi 1 is 90 degree and Phi 2 will be 0 degree, because situation would be like Phi 1 is 90 degree but this Phi 2 is 0 degree, because observation point is very close to finite end. Assumption: observation point is very close to finite end, therefore B will be. Afterwards, second application, circular coil at the center. BSL second application, B due to circular coil at the center. Now let's move on to Biot-Savart law, second application, that is magnetic field due to circular coil at the center. यानी सर्कुलर कॉइल के सेंटर पे हम लोग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. This is ideal current element vector. ये पॉइंट O, R वेक्टर, R कैप, करंट I. तो ये जो करंट एलिमेंट वेक्टर है, इनके वजह से स्मॉल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड साइन 90 डिग्री, क्योंकि आइडियल एंड आर वेक्टर के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री है. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. अब इसे इंटीग्रेट करनी है. सिंपली नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट O, दैट इज B इंटीग्रल dB म्यू नॉट बाई 4 पाई को हल करते हैं I upon R square. Integral dl is 2 pi r. Total circumference mu naught I by 2r. So this is net magnetic field at the center due to circular coil of current. अब यहाँ पे हमें एक numerical tips डिस्कस करनी है. दूसरा डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस B हमें बात करनी है. डायरेक्शन ऑफ, अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज करंट है, then at the center it is upward. Anti-clockwise current upward at the center. In this situation, anti-clockwise phase behaves as north pole. Clockwise phase behaves as south pole. यानी कि just नीचे वाला opposite phase will behave as south pole. And in this situation, circular coil of current behave as short magnetic dipole. That magnetic dipole moment is NIA. Magnetic dipole moment, number of turns, current, and this is area of. अब थोड़ा सा magnetic dipole moment को भी clear कर लें. ये बार मैग्नेट है. मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट 2L, साउथ पोल स्ट्रेंथ QM एम्पियर मीटर, नॉर्थ पोल QM एम्पियर मीटर. M is 2L QM. मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट एम्पियर मीटर स्क्वायर एंड QM इज पोल स्ट्रेंथ. हमने पहले ही बात कर लिया, तो इस तरीके से मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट वाली क्लैरिटी भी मिल गई. नाउ एनीथिंग मोर इज लेफ्ट. देयर इज वन न्यूमेरिकल टिप टू डिस्कस. इज दैट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विद फ्यू न्यूमेरिकल्स, सपोज दिस इज करंट I, ये थीटा है, this is R. Then at the center, magnetic field B is mu naught by 4 pi I by R theta. अब कैसे हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल्स में ही देखते हैं. सो ये हमारा प्रॉब्लम है. These cross and dots are not magnetic field. These are ये into the plane cross वाली at point P. यहाँ पे into the plane current है and at Q point ऐसे करंट जा रही है. यानी these are two parallel conductors. One is going down and the other is going up. और at a distance x हमें, this is point P, I1 is 5 ampere at Q, outward current I2 is 2 ampere और इन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस R है. और कौन से डिस्टेंस पे ये न्यूट्रल पॉइंट बनेगा? तो ये इनटू द प्लेन के वजह से समवेयर यहाँ पे अगर डायरेक्शन हो सकता है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का लाइक दिस. अगर हमने अपवर्ड करंट है तो इनटू द प्लेन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. अगर ऐसे है तो दिस वे, दैट मींस अवे फ्रॉम अस, दैट मींस नॉर्थवर्ड. अगर इन 3D व्यू में इफ वी आर कीपिंग आवर स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर एंड हियर एट पॉइंट P करंट इज गोइंग डाउन, तो दैट मींस इट इज टुवर्ड्स अस, दैट मींस साउथवर्ड. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे ऐसे देखें at point R, southward का मतलब this should be B1 at distance x. And now this is outward current, तो outward के वजह से northward. अगर 3D व्यू में ले and 3D व्यू में current is upward, try to check my fingers and notice my pen in the form of upward, outwardly perpendicular current. This way, this could be B2. Now third application, Biot-Savart law, magnetic field due to circular coil current at the axis. Let's see how about the diagram. At this topmost point, we are going to consider infinitely small length, that means current element vector, ideal vector. This is R, O, X, P, X axis, X square plus R square. ठीक है? This is phi, this is also phi, then this is also phi. This is dB, this is dB sin phi, dB cos phi. Now let us understand how this dB direction is inclined at some pi angle. Let's see. Suppose in this way, anti-clockwise direction of current. Because of anti-clockwise direction, ideal is like this. Then at this horizontal plane, because of this current at this horizontal plane, magnetic field direction would be like this because of Maxwell right hand thumb rule. Now I'm to tilt this horizontal plane by phi. Because of this tilt of phi, dB will be also tilting towards right with phi angle. Hence this dB is like that. Now from Biot-Savart, dB is mu naught by I ideal sine 90 degree upon this is the distance. Now what's the reason of 90 degree? Suppose this is ideal. Because of this ideal, R vector is straight. At this point I want some ring type thing. Can I get a ring type thing? Now this ring type thing, at this point, at topmost point, it is ideal, and this is R vector which I have shown in the form of root under x square plus r square. It is straight. That means here this vector is making an angle with this tangent 90 degree. If it could have been like this or like this, then it would have been acute angle, but since it is straight, that's why it here at this point it is 90 degree. But this view we can't see in our diagram. This 3D view we are not in a position to see. That's why we are bound to use this system to explain. Then because of this typical situation, we have sine 90 degree, and it implies that dB is mu naught by 4 pi ideal upon this is dB. Now another one more important point. Same way, now lowermost point also I have considered ideal, and because of this dB dash, and because of uniform current, this ideal and this ideal is also uniform. dB magnitude is equal to dB dash magnitude. Hence for diametrically opposite points pairing, every pair of dB cos phi will cancel out. Therefore for net field D integral all the dB sin phi, dB dash sin phi cos phi, all the dB sin phi's has to be integrated, and dB expression I am to take from what is dB, mu naught by 4 pi ideal x square plus r square, and sin phi matlab perpendicular upon hypotenuse, r upon constant will be taken out, I r integral dl, and then thereafter integral dl again, it is equal to 2 pi r. Now simplifying further, mu naught by 4 pi 2 I a, where a is equal to pi r square is area of circular loop. So this was our final expression. Now here two special cases. Okay, number one, when observation point P is at point O, what will happen? X will become 0. When observation point is at the center of it, implies that X is equal to 0. Therefore B is mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi a 0 plus r square 3 by 2 mu naught by 4 pi 2 I, this time r cube. One r will be left in denominator, 2 pi I pi r. And very interestingly, now you have reached previous result, circular coil at the center wala same result. Obviously it is same situation. We are obtaining B equals mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi I by r. So this is very much common to expect. But now another one is very interesting, case 2. Case 2, when observation point is located at very far off point, that is x is very large as compared to r. It implies that r is negligibly 0. Therefore b equals mu naught by 4 pi 2ia x square plus 0 3 by. Now this time this numerator will be converted into m, and here I didn't mention one more thing. N is number of turns. And remember, lastly, after this special case, I am going to discuss the direction of this field I didn't talk about. But pehle this relation 2ia, ia means m, magnetic dipole moment. In this situation, circular coil, with respect to this circular coil, this observation point is at far off point. So for that observer at very far off point, this circular coil will behave as a magnetic dipole. That's why magnetic dipole moment, this ia will be replaced by capital M, mu naught by 4 pi 2m twice of m upon x cube. And yes, b is mu naught by 4 pi twice of m upon x cube. That is circular coil behaving as short magnetic dipole to an observer located at very far off point. Magnetic dipole moment, where m is equal to nia, where a is area, n is number of turns, and I is now point direction of magnetic field current topic. Two scenario, both in case of anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. Firstly, anti-clockwise, like this. Now I'll choose 3 points for magnetic field direction. 1, 2, 3. At all these 3 points, direction of magnetic field would be rightward only. In case of anti-clockwise, even in left side also, direction would be rightward. Then again, now I am to consider clockwise current. This time clockwise current. Again 3 points, one at the center, second at this point, third at this point. This time numerical will be based on these points only. Then thereafter, last point of this theory discussion would be graphical variation of B versus R. This is the direction. This is the graphical variation. B versus R minus R. Consider ऐसे करके circular coil, as this observation point will be reaching towards this center, then it will be maximum. It will be maximum at this point. Again, it will be proceeding towards negative direction. Then again, it will start decreasing like this. Done. Hence, this is that.